Welcome dear children. Today we will see the next chapter for geometry. First of all we will see about triangle. A closed figure formed by three line segments is called a triangle. See the given diagram. From that we can learn about basic elements of a triangle. See, first you consider 3 points which are not lying on a same line. So we consider the points A, B, C. By joining them we get a triangle. Triangle ABC represented as, how will we read this symbol? Triangle. Triangle ABC or triangle BCA or triangle CAB. Now, in this triangle ABC, the line segments AB, BC and CA are called the sides of the triangle. And the angle CAB, angle ABC and angle BCA, or otherwise we can simply write the vertex itself. Angle A, angle B and angle C are called the angles of the triangle. The point of intersection of two sides of the triangle is called the vertex. Here the vertices are A, B and C. Hence, a triangle has three sides, three angles and three vertices. Next one, properties of triangles. First one, in a triangle, if the measure of all angles are different, then all sides are also different. Next, if the measure of two angles are equal, then the two sides also equal. If the measure of three angles are equal, then three sides are also equal and each angle measures 60 degree. This property is very important. Angle sum property. Sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Next one, types of triangle based on its sides. We have three types. First one, scalene triangle. If three sides of a triangle are different in lengths, then it is called a scalene triangle. For example, you see all the sides are different, therefore it is scalene triangle. Next, second type, isosceles triangle. If any two sides of a triangle are equal in length, then it is called an isosceles triangle. For example, you see the legs are same, 8 centimeter and 8 centimeter. So, two sides are equal. So, it is called as isosceles triangle. The third type, equilateral triangle. If three sides of a triangle are equal in length, then it is called an equilateral triangle. For example, you see all the sides are equal. Therefore, it is equilateral triangle. Next one, types of triangles based on its angles. First type, acute angled triangle. If three angles of a triangle are acute angles, that means it lies between 0 degree and 90 degree. Then it is called an acute angled triangle. See, all the angles are less than 90 degree. Therefore, it is acute angled triangle. Next one, second type, right angled triangle. If an angle of a triangle is a right angle, that is exactly equal to 90 degree, then it is called a right angled triangle. For example, you see one of the angle is 90 degree. Next one, third one, obtuse angled triangle. If an angle of a triangle is an obtuse angle, that is lies between 90 degree and 180 degree, then it is called an obtuse angle triangle. For example, you see 110 degree is greater than 90 degree. Therefore, it is obtuse angled triangle. Next one, triangle inequality property. In a triangle, the sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. This is known as triangle inequality property. For example, you see this triangle, AB plus BC is greater than CA, BC plus CA is greater than AB, CA plus AB is greater than BC. Let us see the exercise 4.1. First question, fill up. First one, every triangle has at least dash acute angles. 2. Second one, a triangle in which none of the sides equal is called a scalene triangle. Third one, in an isosceles triangle, dash angles are equal. Two angles are equal. Fourth one, the sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Fifth one, a right angled triangle with two equal sides is called Isosceles right angled triangle. Let us move to the next one. Match the following. No sides are equal. Scale and triangle. One right angled triangle. One obtuse angled triangle. Two sides of equal length, isosceles triangle. All sides are equal, equilateral triangle. Next one. In the triangle ABC, name the three sides AB, BC, CA. Name the three angles, angle A, angle B, angle C. Name the three vertices A, B, C. Next one. Classify the given triangles based on its sides as scale and isosceles or equilateral. Scale means no sides are equal. Isosceles means two sides are equal. Equilateral means three sides are equal. First one you see three sides are equal. Equilateral triangle. Second one you see all the sides are different. Scale and triangle. Third one you see two sides are equal. Isosceles triangle. Fourth one you see all the sides are different. Scale and triangle. Fifth one you see classify the given triangles based on its angles as acute angled, right angled or obtuse angled. Acute angle means all the angles are less than 90 degree. Right angle means one of the angle is 90 degree. Obtuse angle means one of the angle is greater than 90 degree. See the first one, all the angles are less than 90 degree. So acute angled triangle. See the second one of the angle is 90 degree. So right angled triangle. Next one of the angle is 125 degree greater than 90 degree. Therefore, obtuse angled triangle. See the fourth one, all the angles are less than 90 degree. Therefore, acute angled triangle. Next one, classify the following triangles based on its sides and angles. Both we have to consider. See the first one, two sides are equal. Therefore, isosceles. All the angles are less than 90 degree. Therefore, acute. Therefore, isosceles and acute angled triangle. Next one you see, one of the angle is 90 degree. Therefore, it is right angled triangle. All the sides are different. Therefore, it is scale and triangle. So, scale and right angled triangle. Next one you see, two sides are equal. Therefore, isosceles. One of the angle is greater than 90 degree. Therefore, isosceles and obtuse angled triangle. See the fourth one, two sides are equal. So, isosceles. One of the angle is 90 degree. Therefore, isosceles and right angled triangle. Okay. Next one, fifth one, you see all the sides are equal and all the angles are less than 90 degree. Therefore, equilateral and acute angle triangle. See the sixth one, all the sides are different. One of the angle is greater than 90 degree. Therefore, obtuse and scalene. Therefore, scalene and obtuse angled triangle. Okay. Okay, children, revise all the sums. Whatever we discussed in this session. Let us meet in the next session. If you have any doubt in this, you can ask your concerned teachers. Okay. Thank you.